In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create animated videos using Canva for free. We'll build a simple animated scene from scratch, add movement, text, and music, and then export it as a polished video you can share anywhere. Start by opening Canva and clicking the video icon. Choose a blank 1920 by 1080 canvas for full HD or pick a video template if you want a quick starting point. Templates are great for layout ideas, but a blank canvas gives you total control. Next, set your scene with backgrounds and elements. Head to the Elements tab and search for something like Cartoon City or any theme that fits your project. As you browse, focus on items labeled free and skip anything with a crown icon since that indicates paid content. Mix in characters, objects, and props to bring your scene to life. Resize and position your elements so the composition feels balanced, leaving room for any text you'll add later. Now, let's animate. Click on any character or object. Then choose Animate from the top menu and select Create an Animation. Drag the element across your canvas to record a custom movement path. If you want a clean linear motion, hold Shift while you drag to keep the path straight. After you draw the path, adjust the speed setting to steady or smooth. Steady keeps motion consistent, while smooth eases in and out for a more natural feel. Preview the movement and tweak until it looks right. To move elements between scenes seamlessly, use Match and Move. Duplicate your page, reposition the element on the new page, then add the match and move transition between those pages. Canva will automatically connect the positions, creating a professional, continuous motion from one scene to the next. This is perfect for character walks, object slides, or camera. Like pans, add audio and text to round things out. Open the Audio tab to explore free music tracks or upload your own. Choose something that fits the pace of your animation. For titles or captions, insert text boxes and click Animate to apply text-specific effects like typewriter. Keep your fonts readable and your timing aligned with key moments in your animation. When you are happy with everything, click Share, then Download, and save your video as an MP4 file. That's it. Thanks for watching.